The bond that me and my bike share is past emotional. It's moved. It's moved.
It's already moved past that.
It's moved on to a physical relationship now. What's up, YouTube? So today we have a pretty exciting video for us. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching this. I just want to say that for all the 25 people that watch my videos and like them, thank you so much. You know who you are. I appreciate you. All that hard work that I always be doing in the shop, late nights on Instagram that y'all be seeing, is gonna pay off today. We're planning on going riding. Really? Sarah already left to go to her mom's house to drop off my little girl so that she can ride Hunter's, you seen him on the channel, his FZ07, while I ride the R6 that I rebuilt. Okay. Now I need to get my helmet and gear on. That way I can leave because they already left. And I'm gonna have to be doing the speed limit if I want to catch them. Like, it's all to it. Like, I'm just gonna have to be doing the speed limit. So I'm about to leave. Y'all are coming with me. So it appears as if we came unprepared with the GoPro. Next, we'll be traveling 20 minutes out of the way.
So he could use a Cerakote.
Day 23, inputting 93 octane.
Yeah, there's something like this, but that's probably a little hard.
Let's see what you got.
No, that's definitely not gonna work. That's a.
Sarah's getting ready to ride the FZ. My bike seems to be holding up still. That's it. I trust it. All right.
Chestnut Spring.
So we made it down here to, what's the name of this place?
Cape San Blas.
Cape San Blas. It's basically Panama City, Port St. Joe. Port St. Joe. I feel like it's more Port St. Joe. Anyway, we got Sarah. She rode Hunter's FZ. We got Matthew. He rode the CBR 1000. We got Hunter. Right there. He rode the Gixxer 750. And Travis rode CBR.
CBR what?
All we're gonna say is CBR, okay? There's no need to go any farther.
I'm cool with that.
Okay. Ah, yeah, look at that bike. You know what you should have done? You should have cleaned the headlight.
Yeah, his is like really foggy.
It'd be alright.
Yeah, look at you, gorgeous.
Crystal clear.
How you doing, sweetheart?
Yeah, you like that, don't you?
No, it's not
I'll
one.
touch it.
The bond that me and my bike share is past emotional. It's moved. It's moved.
It's already moved past that.
It's moved on to a physical relationship now.
There you go. You gotta sell it just like that. You look at all physical relationship and then sell it. Oh yeah. Moving on.
Used and abused, and on to the next one. So how long are we gonna stay here?
I don't know. So y'all want to go to the beach?
There is beach over there, and there's beach that way.
I'm
Y'all
fine.
go sit in the sand.
Like I saw the beach.
You go sit in the sand. What are you gonna do?
I don't know.
Oh, could rent bicycles like those people.
You literally have bicycles.
Only pedal.
Cut the engines and push.
I have pushed that bike for a mile and a half.
There's gotta be a way to add some pedals in there.
It is by a bicycle.
Pedal report.
Just made it home. We had a very successful ride today. Nobody's bike got messed up. Everybody came home in one piece, and all in all, it was a very good day. So if you like this type of video, motovlog, let me know in the comments, okay? Please let me know in the comments. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.
It's the same feeling. Let's get this started now.